I bet you didn't know your Instant Pot could make gumbo this easy. Today we're whipping up a delicious slow cooker shrimp gumbo. First, grab your Instant Pot and set it to saute mode. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and toss in a diced onion, a chopped bell pepper, 2 chopped celery stalks and 4 minced garlic cloves. Saute for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of thyme and a bay leaf. Pour in 2 cups of vegetable broth and a can of diced tomatoes. Give it a good stir. Close the lid and set it to pressure cook on high for 10 minutes. If you're going vegan with chickpeas, pressure cook for 20 minutes. Once done, open the lid and stir in 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Serve this flavorful gumbo over cooked rice and voila, dinner is served. For the slow cooker version, just follow the same steps and cook on low for 6 hours or high for 3, adding shrimp in the last 30 minutes. Enjoy a hassle-free, tasty dinner with your family. Now that you've got your delicious slow cooker shrimp gumbo ready, let's talk about the perfect drinks to pair with it. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a cozy meal at home, the right drink can elevate your dining experience. First up, let's explore some non-alcoholic options. A classic sweet tea is a southern staple that complements the spicy flavors of gumbo beautifully. If you're looking for something warm, a cup of herbal tea like chamomile or peppermint can provide a soothing balance to the dish. For those who prefer a bit of a kick, try a refreshing homemade lemonade. The citrus notes will cut through the richness of the gumbo, making each bite even more enjoyable. Another great choice is a spicy ginger ale, which adds a zesty contrast to the savory meal. Moving on to alcoholic beverages, a chilled glass of Sauvignon Blanc or a crisp Chardonnay pairs wonderfully with shrimp gumbo. The acidity and lightness of these wines enhance the seafood flavors without overpowering them. If you're a beer lover, a light lager or a hoppy IPA can be excellent companions, offering a refreshing counterpoint to the gumbo's spice. For cocktail enthusiasts, consider a classic sazerac or a refreshing mojito. Both cocktails bring unique flavors that can complement the gumbo in different ways. The sazerac's herbal notes and the mojito's minty freshness create delightful contrasts that make your meal even more memorable. So, whether you choose a comforting cup of tea, a zesty lemonade, a crisp wine, or a classic cocktail, there's a perfect drink pairing waiting to elevate your shrimp gumbo experience. Cheers to good food and great company. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel. It's free and only takes a second.